If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. The document view of a PDF file appears if you double-click a PDF file in your operating system to open the PDF in Acrobat Pro. If you open Acrobat Pro without opening a specific PDF file, the Home view appears instead. If you double-click any recently opened PDF file listed in the Recent list in the Home view, the PDF then opens in the Document view, and a tab with the PDF file's name appears in the title bar. If you open multiple PDFs at the same time, you can click between these tabs to view the open PDFs. The top bar appears at the top of the document view below the title bar. The All Tools panel appears at the left side of the view and shows the most common tools used in Acrobat Pro. To the right of the All Tools panel is the Quick Tools panel, which provides quick access to commonly used tools and is the only toolbar available in Acrobat Pro. The document pane shows the actual PDF file's content and appears in the center of the view. The navigation pane appears at the far right side of the document view and shows buttons that let you quickly jump to different types of document content. The left end of the top bar contains commands that change the content that appears in the panel below it. These commands are All Tools, Edit, Convert, and eSign. Clicking the All Tools command shows the most common tools in the panel. To show all the tools, click the View More link at the bottom of the list of tools in the All Tools panel to expand the list of tools. To then hide the less common tools, click the View Less link that then appears at the bottom of the All Tools panel's tools list. To view a set of tools in the All Tools panel, click a tool name in the All Tools panel. For example, to view the PDF editing tools in the All Tools panel, click the Edit a PDF Tool button. To show all the tools in the panel again, click the All Tools link in the top bar. Note that clicking the Edit, Convert, or eSign links in the top bar simply shows the corresponding tool content in the All Tools panel, like clicking the corresponding tool button. At the right end of the top bar is the Find Text or Tools button. To find a tool or text in the document, click this button to show a dropdown. Then type the name of a tool to find or text to find in the document into the dropdown. Then click to select what to show from the list of matches that appears in the Tools or Exact Matches section of the Results menu that appears. The next three buttons to the right in the top bar let you save changes to the PDF, upload the PDF to your Adobe Cloud Storage, or print the PDF respectively. To share the PDF with others, click the Share button in the top bar and follow the instructions on screen. To use the AI Assistant in Acrobat Pro, click the AI Assistant button in the top bar and then use the panel that appears at the right side of the screen to enter your text prompts. To close the panel, click the X button in its upper left corner. To the right of the All Tools panel is the Quick Tools panel. This is a toolbar that contains common tools and which you can customize if needed. To select a tool, click its button in the Quick Tools panel and select a button variation choice from the side menu that appears if needed to activate the tool. The default tool selected in the Quick Tools panel is the Select tool, which lets you select content in a PDF. The PDF content appears within the center document pane in the document view. If editing a PDF, you can click to select PDF elements here to change them as needed. The navigation pane appears at the far right side of the document view. You can click the Content Type buttons at the top of the navigation pane to expand the related panel for the selected type of content to its left. At the bottom of the navigation pane are buttons for navigating the pages of the current PDF and changing its view. We'll look at the navigation pane in detail in a later lesson. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.